How should you start a chainsaw? You may have observed someone starting a chainsaw or even tried yourself using a drop start technique. Drop starting is holding the saw in the air, grasping the rope, and dropping the weight of the saw to start it. Drop starts initiate many chainsaw injuries each year. You should always consider supporting the weight of the saw. Proper techniques begin with these 3 steps. First, always place your chain brake in the locked on position. Apply the smart start if your saw is so equipped. Second, when the engine is cold, place the throttle in fast idle start position and make sure your choke is on. This is not necessary when the engine is warm. Third, make sure your ignition switch is in the on position. Here are 3 safer alternatives to the drop or air start. Place the saw in an open area on the ground. Clear debris and level the saw. Always lower yourself in a balanced position instead of just bending over. Place your toe in the rear handle, one hand on the front handle with down pressure and your other on the starting cord. Use short, quick pulls to start. Place the saw over a log or stable object. Place one hand on the front handle and apply down force as you pull the rope to start with the other. This is a supported starting method, but the operator should be very careful with saws of shorter bar length not to lose control of the saw when the cord is pulled. The method I use most is called the clamp start. This technique may be used in most all starting conditions and offers the operator stable control of the start. Place the saw between your legs just at or above the knees. Clamp the rear handle with your legs. Place your left hand on the front handle and apply straight arm pressure. Your right hand then grasps the cord and pull with short, quick strokes to start the saw.